Hi. I'm greeting you, not saying goodbye. Welcome back to the eyeline of a person living through stupid poverty. It's loud because I'm at the church again, and they have their air conditioner on because it's 93 degrees outside. So, that's fun. I actually thought it was hotter when I first came out. I think I just got used to it. I've been out here for like 2 hours. I need to go back. Yeah, I don't know. I have some things I want to talk about, but I don't really want to talk about them because being poor is like stupidly complicated, and there's all these like little tiny hoops that you need to jump through. And if if one falls through, then you're just like, well, nothing works. So I'm just frustrated. Oh, there it is. There's the hot sun. Alright, hi buddy. Yeah. There's this program called Lifeline for people who can't afford phone service, and just trying to get that. And then I got it, but like the card didn't work, so like the phone card. So yeah, it would have been nice because I would have been able to have a little bit of internet, like 5G on my phone. It would it'd get used up very quickly, but I would have had something. But no, it didn't work. So I needed to like come out here. I do have a text app, free text I think, that you can make phone calls, but I guess on my way out here, like I had the number in my pocket and it must have just fallen out of my pocket. So I couldn't call them to try to figure it out. So instead I just had to like stand in front of the sun in 90 degrees heat for 2 hours, and yeah. So that's frustrating. So yeah, like everything, like I was able to like get approved for it, and they like came, but then it didn't work. So like everything's the same. I just had to like keep standing out in the sun again, just like always, even though it seemed like it might have gotten a little bit better. That's just what I meant. I guess I did talk about it. I don't know. It's just embarrassing being so poor. I'm just tired of it. I keep applying for jobs. I've been applying for months and months and months and months. I had an interview and they said they would get back to me at the beginning of this week. And I guess that didn't go well. And I don't have any of their information. They contacted like me through like an automated number, and then we did a video call, but it was through Google, so I don't have any of their information to contact them and to check. So that's great. And then I just applied to Applebee's, and they did like an automated, like basically right when you apply, you get an interview. And I've done that before, and then it, like one time there was actually an interview. Like it took us to like check. Because another time it was just like, they're like, yeah, people keep coming, but we don't have any positions open. It just keeps telling people to come, and then that sucked because I didn't even hardly have any money for bus fare, and I used it for that. I don't have any money for bus fare for Applebee's right now, but I'm hoping it's for Friday, hopefully by Friday I'm able to get a couple of dollars. So tired of everything. Okay, well there's like people over there, so I'm gonna say goodbye, and yeah. Hopefully life isn't this sucky forever. I mean, it's been suckier. It isn't the same as living in a homeless shelter, and that's not even the same as living on the street, so I'm very thankful for that. It's just still really scary, and I'm mad I haven't been able to get a job even though I've been trying, and I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to be here. And it's just really scary. So I don't want to lose the apartment it took me so long to get, and I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it anymore. Okay, bye.